This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Hamza from Security Dimension recently ran an experiment to determine if ChatGPT is up to the challenge of tackling security vulnerabilities in code. He tried to get ChatGPT to solve a secure programming challenge in cross-site scripting for both Python and JavaScript. His observations were that ChatGPT was particularly good at handling Python code but seems to struggle in JavaScript. It constantly struggled with usability requirements and, unless strictly guided, would end up making a lot of breaking changes to the existing code. With enough information and context, it was able to create a good enough solution to pass the challenge, but those solutions did not actually address the root of the security vulnerability. Read more about Hamza's secure coding ChatGPT experience on Security Dimension.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.